Rolling up this morning is a 2005 Ford Excursion Limited, which is a local one owner since new. For those that were in the era of the 2000 to 2005 Excursion market when they were new, these were the biggest, baddest SUV you could buy, and they were not cheap. This unit was owned by a very no expense spared local family. We've actually seen this vehicle since it was brand spanking new. They keep multiple vehicles around, so this was just a travel vehicle. Mileage has just tripped 170. Most all that was highway mileage when used, some around town, but it was garage kept. It has had the hood repainted at one point in time due to the paint issue. Has all color matched trim. And being as this truck was local, it actually was maintained locally with most of the local shops that we also deal with for maintenance. It does have documentation on bulletproofing. Also, being as it was local, it is not a rust bucket like most would be, which is extremely shocking. It also has the oil filter relocator. It is a limited. Does have one little worn spot on the edge of the seat, which our upholstery person is supposed to attend to today. Bottoms of the doors are great. Rocker panels are great. Even the dog leg, that is usually a problem, is great. Removable third seat, still intact. Overhead DVD player. Six-disc CD player. No check engine lights, no trouble codes. Good running unit. This will be a good find for somebody, being as it is the last year, and I'm pretty sure it's got basically every option that you could have. It's tough to keep black clean, so they did a good job. Like I said, not all of its life was garage, but most of it was. Just freshly serviced, just freshly inspected. They did get a hub bearing and a couple other miscellaneous maintenance items. But a pretty cool specimen for what almost is called a classic excursion. And you look at these trucks, one big giveaway is always the hitch. They're usually very, very rusty. Especially up in the areas right there. Gonna be a great find for somebody. We always keep Excursions in stock. There's two more down there tucked away, but they're gas. Not that that's a bad thing, but it's hard to find the diesels, whether they be 6.0 or 7.3. Hope that helps out somebody that's looking at this from afar. See what they're really bargaining for. Factory floor mat still in the floor. Drops in out of gear good. 170, 997. Very nice unit here for somebody. Give us a call. Check the website anytime. Thanks for watching.